I just stepped out of the car. There is an adult red-tailed hawk just sitting on the bench over here. How did we not see this? How did my dad not see this? There's a red-tailed hawk right there. Oh my god. What? This is so crazy. We're in front of the Brooklyn courts right here. That's a red-tailed hawk, Dad. Peregrine falcons are a little smaller and have different colors. This is one time zone. We're a good distance away. Okay, I stepped up a little bit closer. He's just eyeing me down. I'm a little nervous because this thing is pretty big. Dad thinks it's a peregrine falcon. He's scared of peregrine falcons because he was attacked by one once. This is a red-tailed hawk. Look at this. It's scratching its stomach. Tucked its foot up to its stomach for some reason. I know birds do that sometimes. This is just crazy. I think he's looking at me. That was a peregrine falcon, Dad. This is a red-tailed hawk. And that the falcon was defending its nest.